Hey there. Hey, I just wanted to go through VidVoicer. It's a new product by Eric Homeland, and I think it's Fire Launcher is the name of the company. But hey, I tried to do an unboxing video, and that just was horrible. It really just was not good at all. So what I did is I came in here and I played with the software a little bit just to try to figure out how to use it, just to try to see how to use it. And here's the other thing. Go watch the training video, because literally I just came in blind and tried to start using this thing, and that was really a train wreck. So what I did was I created this I'm quite proud of it. I mean, we all know how artificial intelligent voices sound kind of cheesy, but I was able to go in and create a script and then allow the system to record that script. And it's about a 30-second video, but I'm using it for a YouTube short. And I just really want to play that for you and let you see what I was able to do between this software, creating the AI voiceover, which is exactly what it's designed to do, and then going into my Canva account and creating this nice little shorts video that I plan on uploading and using to drive traffic to an opt-in page. So here is this shorts video that I created. Now again, I did the video and I did the let me shorten this up a little bit so you can maybe see the whole thing. Yeah, there we go. So I created the voiceover inside of VidVoicer, and then I exported it, took it out, and then took it over to Canva and created the rest of this. So, you know, this is not complicated. This was so stinking easy. And this is really getting me excited. So anyway, here, let me play this.
Would you like to earn high-ticket commissions? I've found a way that you can earn large commissions and keep 100% of the money. And if that were not enough, the deal gets a little sweeter. Not only do you get paid 100% commission, you also receive the commissions instantly. That's right, instantly. Click the link below and I'll give you my secret list of high-ticket 100% commissions that get paid to you directly. Click the link below.
Yeah. So I'm going to upload that as a YouTube short, but that voiceover was straight out of VidVoicer. And believe me, this has me very excited, because this whole entire project, the investment of time, was literally about 15 minutes. 15 minutes. And I can show you how to do that too in another video using VidVoicer. VidVoicer? Yeah, VidVoicer, because you just type it out, each line, and I'll go through that. But anyway, I didn't want to make this extremely long, but I did want to show you what this was capable of. This is the finished product. I'm going to now upload this to YouTube and then see what kind of traffic it gets me. But, you know, I'm just going to create more and more content because this took literally no time. I have a channel that really is appropriate for this. So anyway, take care, and I encourage you to click the link below to check out VidVoicer, and I'll also click a link to this YouTube short so you can see it in action. Take care.